This is Emily with the Rogers Public Library, and today I'm going to be telling you how to do your craft packet about clouds from Homeschool Explorers. You will see in your pack you have some clouds, a blue piece of paper, and some stickers. We are going to make them into 3D clouds. So what you will need from home is just some glue. Really any type of glue will work, and some scissors to cut out your clouds. So just go ahead and cut out your clouds. One cloud. Okay, once you have all 6 of your clouds cut out, you are going to fold all of them in half. Okay, when your clouds are all folded in half, now it is time to glue. So we are going to use, you can see from here, we're going to use 1, 2, 3 shapes per cloud to make them 3-dimensional and fluffy. So you just want to have it folded in half. Once you get one side glued, you can go ahead and put them together. Okay, and now you have 2. So now you're gonna fold it in half and just glue on the last side. See, now we have our puffy cloud. So get your blue piece of paper and you can put your cloud wherever you'd like on your page. I like to put them up high so there is plenty of room for the rain to fall. So, more glue. So you see, there's a crease in the middle, but you're going to glue on both sides. Okay. So we've got our clouds on the page. Now is the part that I think is the most fun, adding the stickers. So you can just put the stickers wherever you'd like to make it look like it is a stormy, cloudy, rainy day. And that's it. Have fun making this craft.